Welcome to Tech Talk today. I'm your host, and today we're diving into a fascinating topic that mixes technology, personal security, and a little bit of DIY spirit. We're talking about openhaystack, a framework that lets you track your personal Bluetooth devices using Apple's expansive Find My network. Yeah, you heard that right. This is the same network that helps you locate lost iPhones and AirPods. Now imagine you've got a favorite backpack or even your car keys, and you want to ensure you never lose them. openhaystack allows you to create your own tracking tags, which you can attach to just about anything. And all of this is possible without relying on a cell signal. How cool is that? So, how did this all come about? Well, openhaystack is rooted in some serious tech prowess. It originated from the Secure Mobile Networking Lab at TU Darmstadt, where researchers began reverse engineering Apple's Find My network shortly after its announcement back in June 2019. They figured out how devices can be located even when offline, using a clever combination of Bluetooth signals and cryptography. That might sound technical, but think of it as creating a secret handshake so your devices can communicate their location securely. But here's the kicker. It's still experimental software. There are some quirks. For example, if you use openhaystack accessories, they could potentially be tracked by nearby devices because they broadcast a fixed public key. So it's crucial to tread carefully with this tool, especially considering privacy implications. Now you might be wondering, what exactly does it take to get started? Well, it requires a Mac and a Bluetooth-compatible device like the BBC Microbit. The installation process is a bit unique. You'll need to disable a security feature called Gatekeeper temporarily to get a plugin running. It's like sneaking into a club after being told you can't. Once you're in, setting up a new accessory is pretty straightforward. You name it, select an icon, and the app generates a key pair to protect your location data. It's fascinating how technology can empower us to keep track of our belongings, a feature that feels almost like magic. Another amazing feature? openhaystack lets you find your devices anywhere, worldwide, as long as there's an iPhone nearby to pick up your accessory's signal. That's right, other iPhones act as little helpers, collecting and sending your location data back to you without you lifting a finger. For those who might not want to fool around with coding and setup, there's even an openhaystack mobile version currently under development. This app runs on smartphones and brings all that powerful functionality right to your pocket. But here's the catch. It does require a proxy server to access the Find My network, so a bit of tech savvy is still needed. And before we wrap up, let's ponder something. In an age where GPS trackers are commonplace, how do we balance convenience with the potential risks to our privacy? This is a question that openhaystack and technologies like it compel us to consider deeply. So there you have it, folks. The intriguing world of openhaystack and personal device tracking. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or simply someone who misplaces your keys, this framework opens up a whole new realm of possibilities. Thank you for tuning in to Tech Talk today. Before we go, think about what you'd track if you could. Your pet, that shirt you always lose, or maybe just your sanity on busy mornings. Until next time, keep exploring the tech that shapes our lives.